What advice would I give about uni?
Just get out of your comfort zone.
There is pressure, but it is good pressure.
I was diagnosed with dyslexia early on in primary school. Going through secondary school was quite difficult.
From the beginning, I didn't think I'll go to uni.
I always had that goal that I was going to graduate.
I wanted to prove people wrong.
Going through USW and just the help they provided me with, I was able to graduate to the first class honours.
I smashed first class honours, and that was really positive on my mindset.
I grew up in quite a rural town, no gay scene at all, so I kind of hid who I was for quite a long time. Moving away to university, it was a fresh start for me. I was with all new people.
University gives you the space and the time to develop as a person.
At USW, we had so many opportunities for internships and work experience. Get your hands dirty, get stuck in, you can handle it.
Croeso I le sy'n llawn cyferbyniadau cyffroes. Beth bynnag fydd y pwnc y bydde di'n astudio ym Mhrifysgol De Cymru, mae llond gwlad o bethau i'w darganfod yn yr ardal leol. Un brifysgol, 3 lleoliad. Caerdydd, Nghasnewydd, Pontypridd. Cysylltiedig, ond gwahanol, gyda chroeso cynnes I bawb.
I didn't really see the point of university. After my A-levels, the hobby that remained with me was offensive security, technology and information security. The USW course struck me as particularly useful because they suggested that all of our projects mapped onto real work that had happened in industry. It was the only course that had me wanting to go to university, so it felt like a no-brainer.
Uni was more than what I expected, to be honest. I wasn't aware of the vast amount of opportunities and the certifications and all the qualifications you could do, and a lot of them were really easy to reach and they're really accessible. The current role I'm in, where we do documentation and guidance, reminds me of it's just like straight out of an assignment that we get at uni. I guess that's a testament to how great the course kind of functions and takes into consideration what you would actually be doing in the industry. But yeah, USW had really good ties with the wider world.
In terms of the opportunities waiting, students were getting snapped up. Like they were getting picked up. They were getting offered work before they finished.
So many jobs out there, isn't there?
There's so many jobs.
Even studying IT or computer science or cyber, you can do anything. It's not just tech-related roles. You can do absolutely anything. It just brought my confidence out, I think. It just allowed me to really be creative and express myself and learn about people, not just sitting down and coding all day. You're learning how people work. Don't underestimate your abilities and just give everything a go. Anything that comes at you, just give it a go.
With the placements that they put you on, definitely provides a stepping stone of preparing you for the world of nursing.
I was probably more of an academic student in terms of placements and things. I was less prepared. I definitely found that the placements in USW were really useful in learning ins and outs of the job, really. It allowed me to kind of progress in a way that going from placement to placement, experiencing all these different things, getting support from mentors, really allowed me to kind of hone in them skills that I needed to start doing the job of nursing.
Because a lot of the lecturers in USW are ex-nurses or people who are still practicing as nurses but also teaching at the same time. They're able to support you throughout placement as well and kind of tell you, well, you know, that's not right or that is right. There was like no silly questions and no silly experiences, and you're able to kind of have support with one another from the people on the course.
From first to third year, my confidence had dramatically increased, and I think every year as you have more experience and meet different people, that just keeps growing, and you just need to develop that resilience in you and that confidence.
You know that you're not going to actually leave nursing, because nursing is like a calling, isn't it?
Nursing can be really scary. You are a nurse and that just becomes part of your personality. You're always supported, there's always people around you, that network, your team, you know, there's loads of different people you can go to for that support. And USW being a supportive university really prepared me for that.
I feel like I belong in Cardiff. Coming to USW, there's just so many cool people everywhere. You're just always surrounded by creative people.
The best thing about Cardiff is that it kind of has something for everyone. There's an emerging game scene as well, with kind of arcade bars that you can go to and socialise with people from your course. I feel part of a network at USW.
Cardiff, I feel, better suits my personality. You still have everything you need, like any city, but you can just decide to go on a long walk and end up in the countryside.
It feels really positive to be a part of a queer network. You know, we're all a community and we all help each other out in any way we can. I get more celebrated now in USW. I feel like I can express myself a lot more.
Welcome to a place of inspiring contrasts. Whatever you study at USW, you get the very best of South Wales to explore. One university, 3 locations. Cardiff, Newport, Pontypridd. Always connected, always different. And you're always welcome.
Uni has shaped a lot of my personality. You do make your own little family here. You meet the people that you love. You learn and you grow, and you learn to be independent and overcome challenges and grow up, really.
USW courses, I think, they offer a lot of practical learning, so there's a lot of encouragement to apply real-world case studies to reports that you're doing, which really challenges the way that you think, and it makes you think in like a practical way that will help you a lot more in the work experience. You know, you're already applying these concepts that you're learning to something real and tangible. The degree offers you the opportunity to try things out, see what you're good at, and figure out ways of applying different thought processes to different fields. It feels like you're doing work that means something.
The assignments were never just, oh, you read this article and you articulate this article.
Yeah.
It was
Graddedigion a gwesteion, croeso cynnes I Brifysgol de Cymru. Mae hwn yn ddiwrnod arbennig iawn i'r myfyrwyr sydd ar fi'n graddio, a'i teuluoedd a'i ffrindiau, ac yn uchafbwynt ar flynyddoedd o waith caled. Gobeithio y byddwch yn cael diwrnod hyfryd ac yn mwynhau'r seremoni. Graduates and guests, welcome to the University of South Wales. This is a very special day for both the students who are about to graduate and their families and friends, after the culmination of many years of hard work and commitment. We hope that you have a pleasant day and enjoy the ceremony. Fe fydd y seremoni yn dechrau ymhen ychydig, ond cyn hynny mae angen I fi roi ychydig o wybodaeth ynglŷn â'r seremoni I chi. Bod y seremoni ag elfen ffurfiol iddi, hoffem I chi deimlo'n gatrefol hefyd. Rwy'n gweld rhai plant bach yn y gynulleidfa. Os ydyn nhw'n dechrau aflonyddu yn ystod y seremoni, byddwn yn ddiolchgar pe byddech yn mynd â nhw allan, fel nad ydynt yn ymharu ar y seremoni I weddill y gynulleidfa. Fe fydd y stiwardiaid yn gallu dangos I chi ble I fynd I wylio'r seremoni drwy gyfrwng llif byw, ac felly wnewch chi ddim colli unrhyw ran o'r seremoni. The ceremony will start soon, but before then it falls to me to give you some information about the proceedings. Although the ceremony is a formal occasion, we also hope that you will feel relaxed. I can see that there are some young children in the audience. If they become restless during the ceremony, we would be grateful if you would take them out so that they don't detract from the ceremony for the rest of the audience. The stewards will be able to advise you where you can go to watch the ceremony via a live stream, so you won't miss out on any of the ceremony. Nid ydym yn disgwyl unrhyw ymarferion tân heddiw, ond os bydd unrhyw argyfwng heddiw, awnewch chi adael trwy'r allanfeydd tân sydd wedi ei hyrwyddo trwy'r auditoriwm. Un peth pwysig arall, awnewch chi sicrhau fod eich ffonau symudol wedi ei diffodd trwy gydol y seremoni os gwelwch yn dda. We are not expecting any fire alarms or any emergencies today. However, should we need to evacuate, then please leave via the fire exits which are marked in the auditorium. One last but very important request. Please can you make sure that all mobile phones are switched off throughout the ceremony. Fe fydd y seremoni yn para rhyw awr a hanner. Tua hanner ffordd trwy cyflwyno'r dyfyniadau yn graddedigion, mi fydd egwyl gerddorol fer, ble bydd myfyrwyr o'r Coleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru yn perfformio. Mae'r perfformiad gan y cerddorion yn rhan o'r seremoni, felly awnewch chi aros yn eich seddi trai bod yn perfformio os gwelwch yn dda. The ceremony will last about an hour and a half. Halfway through the presentation of awards to our graduates, we will have a short musical interlude performed by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. The performance by the musicians is part of the ceremony, so please remain in your seats while they are performing. Ar ddechrau y seremoni, fe fydd yr orymdaith yn dod I mewn i'r auditoriwm. Yn arwain ar yr ymdaith bydd prif swyddogion y brifysgol, penaethiaid chyfadran ac aelodau o'r staff academaidd. Mi fyddent yn cael ei dilyn gan y byrllysg ac yna'r gynghellor neu ei enwebau. At the start of the ceremony, the procession will enter the auditorium. The procession is made up of the chief officers of the university, faculty heads and academic staff. They will be followed by the mace and then the Chancellor or their nominee. Ar ddiwedd y seremoni, bydd yr orymdaith yn gadael yr auditoriwm ac yn cymeradwyo'r graddedigion allan. Peidiwch â gadael eich seddi nes bod y graddedigion ar yr ymdaith wedi gadael yr auditoriwm os gwelwch yn dda. Gallwch adael wedyn drwy'r allanfa ac osaf ac byddwch yn gallu cwrdd â'r graddedigion y tu allan. At the end of the ceremony, the procession will exit the auditorium and clap the graduates out. Please do not leave your seats until both the graduates and the procession have left the auditorium. You will then be able to leave the auditorium through the nearest exit and meet up with the graduates outside. Mae'r llyfryn a gyhoeddwyd gennym yn rhoi cefndir i'r seremoniau graddio, a hefyd rhaglen sy'n nodi trefn y trafodion ac yn cynnwys enwau'r myfyrwyr sy'n graddio yn y seremoni hon. Gobeithio'n y byddwch yn mwynhau'r llyfryn ac y bydd yn gofeb werthfawr o'r diwrnod arbennig hwn heddiw. The published brochure provides background to the graduation ceremonies and also a programme setting out the order of proceedings, including the names of the students graduating in this ceremony. We hope you will enjoy the brochure and that it will be a valuable souvenir of this special day today. Yn olaf, bydd y seremoni yn cychwyn yn fuan. Rydych chi, ein myfyrwyr, wedi gweithio'n galed I gyrraedd yma heddiw. felly mwynhewch y seremoni a gweddill y diwrnod. Llongyfarchiadau. Finally, the ceremony will be starting shortly. You, our students, have worked hard to get here today, so enjoy the ceremony and the rest of the day. Congratulations.
Graddedigion a gwesteion, os ydych chi'n gallu, byddwch yn sefyll ar gyfer yr yrymdaith academaidd os gwelwch yn dda. Graduates and guests, if you are able, please be upstanding for the academic procession.
Pnawn da, croeso canes I chi gyd. Good afternoon, very warm welcome to you all. By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. And I'd like to invite our Vice-Chancellor, Dr. James Gravel, to address us.
Please be seated. Anrhydeddus Gynhellwr. Boneddigion a boneddigesau, croeso cynnes I chi I Brifysgol de Cymru. Welcome to the University of South Wales and to this, our graduation ceremony. Here in the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841. An institution set up by industry to raise aspiration and bring education to workers in the region. We are, of course, long past those founding moments, but much of that vision set almost 200 years ago remains today. Mae'r Brifysgol a byd busnes wedi gweithio ac yn gweithio'n law yn llaw. Our university is proud that it works in partnership with business, industry, and the public sector, preparing people for work and future careers that we hope will allow individuals to reach the heights of their talent. We are proud that we bring a diverse range of people into our community at different phases of their lives with different aspirations. After all, education is a people business. As I look at you all here today, looking fantastic in your gowns, so happy to have reached this point of celebration, I don't see a crowd. I see individuals, distinctive people with your own character and reasons for being here. You may have come to the University of South Wales with a burning passion and have applied that throughout your time with us. Others may have felt uncertain about what your future holds and whether you were on the right track. But throughout your studies, you will have learned more about your abilities and have shaped a greater sense of possibility for life beyond study. All of you will have had a different reason for coming to study with us. Some of you straight from school or college, others already in work and wanting to upskill. And there are, of course, those that have taken the brave step to move your lives from another country. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey with us. Recently, I spoke to an alumnus of the university who had completed 6 degrees with us. So be careful. We can be a very, very difficult place to leave. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complex world that isn't always easy to navigate. We also live in a world that evidently needs change. We need people who can effect positive and real change. People who aren't satisfied with things as they are. You will need to face the future courageously, to challenge and innovate, be inclusive, and work within your communities to create a society which is more equal without doing damage to our environment or the well-being of others. The world expects so much of you as graduates, and I know that can seem like a big ask. That doesn't mean we are single-handedly asking you to change the world. You can be that change in your chosen profession, be that in your hospital, school, company, or immediate team. Big change is usually an aggregate of small ones. We have a proverb in Wales which derives from the legends of the Mabinogion, the story of Branwen. A fo ben bid bont. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. You will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled one another to reach heights not possible alone. You will have relied on each other for emotional support, and many of you will have created memories and friendships that will last a whole lifetime. As I welcome you today to our community of graduates and gymuned o Rhaddogion, I would like to remind you that in any good community, we draw on others for support, to challenge us when we aren't doing the right thing, to guide and advise us on making difficult decisions, and to make us feel like we belong and our voice heard. I would like to think at the University of South Wales, underpinned by our values of being professional, inspiring, creative, responsive, and collaborative, that our intentions as a community are good, to help you change your life and our world for the better. And we hope that we've given you those skills, knowledge, and attributes to do just that. Life is not straightforward. We will all have bumps in the road. So as well as having the talent and passion to pursue your dreams, be pragmatic enough to give yourself a break. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath, draw on your intellect, and reflect before trying again. It's just a moment in your life and your career. And of course, today is a very important moment in your life. Today we celebrate your achievements. Mae heddi yn amser I ddathlu llwyddiant. Your job today is to feel proud of yourself, to look fabulous, and to take lots of photographs, and maybe even shed a tear or two. And to help in that, I've got an ask for everybody sitting behind you. You've got a job today too. Your job is to make sure that when your family member or friend walks across the stage, they are in no doubt how proud you are of them. You can do that in any which way you like, by clapping loudly, shouting their name, whistling or whooping. All are legitimate, in fact, absolutely required. So, I suggest we have a practice. It is getting on a little bit late in the evening. So, after 3, let's hear how much noise you've got left in you. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Absolutely, very good. Excellent. Well done, da iawn. Yeah, so as much noise as you can. Be really, really fantastic. And so in closing, as you walk across the stage here today and collect your awards, I want you to hold one word at the forefront of your mind. Pride. In Welsh, balchder. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of the potential for great things. Be proud of yourself and who you are, and not who others want you to be. You will always be part of our University of South Wales family. You are and always will be, we are and always will be very proud of each and every one of you. We will now play a short video showcasing our 2025 highlights. Graddedigion, diolch yn fawr. Thank you.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys I aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynhylliad o Brifysgol De Cymru yn Ninas Nghasnewydd ar y 6 dydd ar 20 o Ionawr 2026. Heddiw, anrhydeddon ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy deallusrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd I bod yn gymwys I gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r Brifysgol. Drwy anrhydeddu ei gyrhaeddiad, gadewch I rieni sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod ei hymrwymiad a dathlu ei llwyddiant. Bydd ein gobeithio'n yn disgwyliadau ynddynt, gan obeithio y byddant yn rhoi ei talent a'i disg ger bron ei broffesiwn a'n cymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfrannu at ddyfodol ein cymdeithas gydag anrhydedd a chlod.
Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 26th day of January 2026. Today, we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Master of Science in Leadership in Healthcare Learner Limited. Ulayemi Ajeni. Zainayaya Al-Abed. Kate Soretti. Judith James. Vinothini Maniva Samgam. Caroline Vassallo. Mathili Dinadendra Kandam. David Keating. Hannah Sebitlua Haney. I now present to the congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates that have been awarded the Master of Art in Leadership in Sport, Jamie Annison. Chris Davies. Joe Dennison. Mehdi Diab. Thomas Guest. Matthew Jackson. Hannah Marshall. Helen Petit. Griffith Stead. Glenn Swain. Mehran Ul Hassan. Umna Ashraf. Sarita Chonat. Valentine Tafadzwa Kaseki. Efiosa Ohisuuza. Manahil Hamid Ahmed Umar. Isam Sayala. Anish Sharma. Gina Silva Payne. Esther Taylor. The Master of Science in Advanced Performance Football Coaching, Harry Beaver. Liam Davies. Josh Edwards. Ben Evans. Alistair Feasy. Vladut Andre Lakatos. Samuel Sutton. Ashley Vickers. Sam Wilson. The Master of Science in Applied Health Economics Learner Limited, Julianne Marie Peat. The Master of Science in Clinical Psychiatry Learner Limited, Amira Shakina Binti Muhammad Nadzir. Olufemi Mubu Ulubiyi. Megan Shembry. Abdul Barry Sheikh. The Master of Science in Cosmetic and Aesthetic Medicine Learner Limited, Ayman Salah Muhammad Soliman Mahmood. The Master of Science in Cosmetic Medicine Learner Limited, Yvonne Dorrans. Katie Reeson. The Master of Science in Dermatology and Clinical Practice Learner Limited, Almutaz Bella Muhammad Agami M. Abdelwad. Humaira Ahmed. Layla Al-Aswad. Ahmed Anwar Abdullah Jaisim Al-Jawda. Priscilla Allen Casey. Marwa Abdul Salam Jassim Al-Nida Jui. Zintwetwe Aye. Sadaf Basharat. Melanie Bruton. Tareem Javid. Titawa Jiravichija. Madiha Saeed Khan. Philippa Newman. Jennifer Osa Imwen. Luvita Palo. Sharmeen Sheikh. The Master of Science in Diabetes Learner Limited, Ransford Akuwaya. Lisa Cowshaw. Stephanie Ann Fricker. Mohammed Wazim Akram Mohammed Rafidin. Trudy Rookley. Evans Turkson. The Master of Science in Endocrinology Learner Limited, Naween Dushiath Gamagay. Kishore Gautam. Aisha Khalil. Eunice Margam. Sanolo Rosina Milton. Ramala Abdullahi Mohammed. Ramatu Abdullahi Shoaibu. Amanda Ugomen Usifu. The Master of Science in Gastroenterology Learner Limited, Abdi Salam Sharif Abdullahi. Emma Antwi. Princess Curledge. Jabulani Musendo. Kaim Shah. Muhammad Hanif Sultan. The Master of Science in Genomic Medicine and Healthcare Learner Limited, T. Valiami Jayanthri Thrinan Navuk Arasu N. The Master of Science in Medical Education Learner Limited, Wafa Al Baluki. Yasmin Abdallah Abelhadi Gala Abdallah Asar. John Bonalo. Dion Dames Alick. Nama Abdallah Khalil Ibrahim. Felix Jerry Mwembi Uindi. Olubamiwo Ojo. Kohaila Paipe. Javier Zuniga. The Master of Science in Obesity and Weight Management Learner Limited, Maria de Lourdes Correa Semedo. Ayman Kasim. Asad Ullah. The Master of Science in Pain Management Learner Limited, Ahmed Mohammed Ahmed Ben Tari. Shibi Kapapani. Doom Esther Olajide Johnson. The Master of Science in Preventative Cardiovascular Medicine Learner Limited, Faisal Azani. Wilhelmina Enin. Coco Lin. Victorine Mugoya. The Master of Science in Public Health Learner Limited, Anthea Azapadi. Maria Barbara. Ling Fan. Adejumoke Mary Folarunso. Mayada Azari Bakri Hamida. Ifeoma Chinwe Ozoeme Mene. Claire Cicluna. The Master of Science in Renal Medicine Learner Limited, Michelle Chiesa. The Master of Science in Respiratory Medicine Learner Limited, Anita Marie Chaco. Elizabeth Davies. Lauren Jones. Agalia Mahandran. Jodie Savala. Ruth Thomas. The Master of Science in Rheumatology Learner Limited, May Al-Sakal. Sarah El-Fituri. Carmel Gukian. The Master of Science in Sexual and Reproductive Medicine Learner Limited, Jijaisha Ali. Alsema Al-Kasab. Yasir Amir Khan. Mafruha Kanaman. Athanasios Petrucales. Tamina Rashid. The Master of Science in Sport, Health and Exercise Science, Haroon Ahmad. Shabnaz Ahmed. Sona Anthony. Zain Asif. Elizabeth Bennett. Nicole Bennett. Syed Amar Abbas Bukhari. Yash Bhavesh Kumar Kalari. Varsha Clement. Laura Connolly. Hussein Javed. Aswin Kunath Narayanan. Kerry-Ann Lawrence. Ciaran Lockyer. Lillian Long. George Edwin Lynch. Adnan Saeed. Aishwarya Jiwant Taude. Muhammad Uzair. Sanjay Verma. The Master of Science in Sports and Exercise Medicine Learner Limited, Emil James A. DeMarco. James Edgerly. Jolene Aniel Growunder. Wanting Huang. Matthew Pizzuto. Joshua Christopher Waller.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed ddatganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We will now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Graduands, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to our performers.
The Master of Science in Sports Coaching and Performance, Julian David Contreras Castillo. Ifijola Farisayo Daramola. Rahul Krishna Rathish. Vinu Thomas. Amal Vijayapan. The Postgraduate Diploma in Acute Medicine Learner Limited, Vignesh Chandran. Bethany Davies. Emily Babu Dominic. Saju Hasnawi. Lizmi Joseph. Brabna Wazkan. Oluwa Sheun Olusoa Tiwo. The Postgraduate Diploma in Clinical Psychiatry Learner Limited, Ere Badamosi. Chun Man Chan. Umbretta Atea Kwaning. Chidinma Okaroa. Rebecca Portelli. Daniel Refalo. Dorian Samut. Spartak Subota. Ogenetega Taiga. The Postgraduate Diploma in Cosmetic and Aesthetic Medicine Learner Limited, Gillian Blandford. Helen Gordon. Aliza Khan. The Postgraduate Diploma in Cosmetic Medicine Learner Limited, Daniela Mohammed Faki. Nevin Turjan Ajar. The Postgraduate Diploma in Dermatology and Clinical Practice Learner Limited, Oluwatosin Olamide Ajayi. Afra Al-Qadir. Noshina Arshad. Sumaya Sharif. Wincy Voonchong. Mohammed Enamul Haq. Mansi Hipara. Tiago Miguel Ferreira Ivo. Rajut Sulegai Jugagadish. Zaminan Khan. Sayur Iwai Lee. Renata Lise. Barbara Makondici. Samar Salim. Norul Ameline Sulaiman. Wan Farzihan, Wan Adib. Rediet Feleki Borja Wiebel. The Postgraduate Diploma in Diabetes Learner Limited, Kira Moran. Syed Raziur Rahman. Satrajit Roy. Nsako Jonathan Sambo. Nombu Yiselo Sizakele Shokane. Neha Yadav. The Postgraduate Diploma in Endocrinology Learner Limited, Olive Akunga. Purvi Chawla. Fatima Tariq. The Postgraduate Diploma in Gastroenterology Learner Limited, Twisha Chakraborty. Rafia Durrani. Aniaban Jaba. Adnan Khan. Tenzin Legsang. The Postgraduate Diploma in Genomic Medicine and Healthcare Learner Limited, Mohammed Mamoon Banat. The Postgraduate Diploma in Medical Education Learner Limited, Fatima Atayeb. Victor Chuku. Artak Heboyan. Amira Mahmood Abdel Basir Khalil. Mohammed Emadeldin Mohammed M. Murray. Sabir Ahmed Adam Muhammad. Cho Yu Mon. Abdul Wadud Takur. Nosakare Uwugiaran. The Postgraduate Diploma in Obesity and Weight Management Learner Limited, Sadia Nasir. Megan Orgad. The Postgraduate Diploma in Pain Management Learner Limited, Mary Kihia. Daniel Machahia. Carlo Eduardo Nancas. The Postgraduate Diploma in Renal Medicine Learner Limited, Rachel Musomba. Cherish Yen Oligo. Lindsay Varges. The Postgraduate Diploma in Respiratory Medicine Learner Limited, Harmanjit Singh. Raymar Bartolo. Tanya Fenn. Hygenia Tomulto. The Postgraduate Diploma in Rheumatology Learner Limited, Uma Mupidi. Ikra Sahid. The Postgraduate Diploma in Sexual and Reproductive Medicine Learner Limited, Mohammed Alfar. Goodness Basse Alim. Grace Kent. The Postgraduate Certificate in Artificial Intelligence in Medicine Learner Limited, Mariam Baig. Benedict Daudu. Mohammed Razim. The Postgraduate Certificate in Clinical Psychiatry Learner Limited, Wafa Abdul Basith. The Postgraduate Certificate in Cosmetic and Aesthetic Medicine Learner Limited, Amy Guilar. The Postgraduate Certificate in Medical Education Learner Limited, Jessica Alice Potter. The Postgraduate Certificate in Menopause Medicine Learner Limited, Mohammed Izzat Abdul Razak. Tracy Ray Allport. Ioana Arsenopoulou. Tanya Bonifaciu. Mafalda Correa Figara. Anna Mironova. Abimbola Tosin Yerima. The Postgraduate Certificate in Metabolic Medicine Learner Limited, Hussein Ali. Parvati Subramanian. The Postgraduate Certificate in Sexual Health Medicine Learner Limited, Timbani Zobe Nkube. The Postgraduate Certificate in Trichology and Hair Sciences Learner Limited, Joseph Guthrie. Catherine Lancianese. Mamoletlo Medon Moranreng. Okeohene Sophie Otenry. Amy Lauren Vola. The Integrated Master of Chiropractic, Thomas Henry Shane Davies. Jake Eccles. Mina Grace Hill. Anya Mia Lennon. Kamia Miroseni. Jiwei In. Toby Simons. Alice Swan. Summer Lee Trim. The Bachelor of Science in Community Football Coaching and Administration, Lucas Murley. Charlie Noakes. The Bachelor of Science in Football Coaching and Performance, Lewis Taylor. The Bachelor of Science in Football Coaching, Development and Administration, Ruby Bagg. Robbie Catlin. Joe Donworth. Owen Edwards. William Farrell. Alessio Gagliesi. Sebastian Gill. Ryan Hosking. Henry Jones. Ben Christopher Martyr. Kieran Mattock. Jack Pauline. Valdo Ribeiro. Ryan Stigants. Sean Thompson. Patrick Bates. The Bachelor of Science in Human Sciences, David Luke Rossiter Jones. The Bachelor of Science in Rugby Coaching and Performance, Taylor Adicott. The Bachelor of Science in Sport and Exercise Therapy, Molly Shepherd. The Bachelor of Science in Strength and Conditioning, Rhys Hewitt. The Certificate of Higher Education in Football Coaching and Performance, Sean Dudgeon. Connor Lavery. The Certificate of Higher Education in Sport and Exercise Therapy, Aliyah Jane Tia Wilson. The Postgraduate Diploma in Clinical Psychiatry, Learner Limited, Haruj Naisa. The Postgraduate Diploma in Medical Education, Learner Limited, Amir Rome. The Master of Science in Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Tagiba Nazreen. The Postgraduate Certificate in Clinical Psychiatry, Learner Limited, Comfort Goodluck. The Master of Science in Cosmetics and Aesthetic Medicine, Emeka Okolu. The Postgraduate Diploma in Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Adebodun Okoyiga. The Master of Science in Sports, Health and Exercise Science, Muhammad Junaid. The Postgraduate Certificate in Artificial Intelligence in Medicine, Anais Bata. The Bachelor of Science in Community Football Coaching and Administration, Jacob Orem Jones. The Postgraduate Diploma in Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Obiora Nelson. The Master of Science in Clinical Psychiatry, Learner Limited, Ayurindi Samuel Amubeya. The postgraduate certificate in cosmetic and aesthetic medicine, Sarah Anthony. The Master of Science in Sports Coaching and Performance, Ekena Jeffrey Ukabam. The Postgraduate Certificate in Artificial Intelligence in Medicine, Sairan Kumar Yatiraju.
Well, congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. Graduation's an occasion, as we've seen, for a rather formal academic ceremony. Well, not too formal, at least not all the time. But it's also a celebration of perseverance and determination and the promise of what comes next. And it's an important milestone in the lives of our graduates and a moment of great pride for all of us here today. Of course, our graduates did not achieve their success entirely alone. So, to the parents, partners, families, and friends, I say this is your day too. You've offered encouragement, reassurance, and unwavering support throughout the journey. And I'm sure our graduates would agree when I say you deserve a warm round of applause. Now, for us up here on the stage today, this is one of the high points of the university year, when we see the fruits of dedication, resilience, and hard work. And I'd like to pay tribute to the nearly 3,000 staff at this remarkable university. They have taught, mentored, supported, fed, counselled, and occasionally nudged our students along the way. Their commitment to your success is at the heart of everything we do. So can we thank them too for all their efforts? But today, above all, is about you, our newest graduates. You've achieved something extraordinary. You've not only mastered your subjects, but you've also developed the ability to think critically, challenge assumptions, work with other people, and engage with complex issues in a spirit of respect and curiosity. These are timeless skills, essential in every walk of life, and perhaps especially so today. We're proud that the education you've received here is highly valued by employers, but more than that, we're proud of the way it transforms lives, your lives, and the communities you will go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful, engaged citizens. As you enter the next stage of your lives, we hope you will take with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. As our newest alumni, you are now ambassadors for this university and for what we stand for. We hope you'll stay in touch, come back for more, continue to grow and inspire others as you have inspired us. So well done, all of you, and warmest wishes for your continued success. Dymuniadau gorau iawn i'r dyfodol. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed, and I invite all who are able to stand for the national anthem.